All Indian superfoods are very beneficial for our health and contain all the essential nutrients. Let's learn about 5 such superfoods and their effects on our health. First, let's talk about black chickpeas. They contain complex carbohydrates that digest slowly and provide long-lasting energy. The protein in them strengthens our muscles. They are also rich in fiber, which improves digestion and helps relieve constipation. The iron in them helps increase the amount of blood in the body, preventing weakness and fatigue. Now let's discuss cashews. They are not only tasty but also very nutritious. Cashews contain calcium and magnesium, which are essential for strong bones. They have healthy fats that balance cholesterol levels and protect against heart diseases. They contain vitamin B6, which nourishes brain cells and improves memory. The antioxidants in them make the skin glowing and reduce wrinkles. Next, let's understand pomegranate. It contains iron, which helps combat anemia by increasing blood levels in the body. It also has vitamin C and antioxidants that boost the body's immunity. Pomegranate cleanses the blood and controls blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Now let's know about the benefits of bottle gourd. It is light on the stomach and easy to digest. Bottle gourd is low in calories and high in water, aiding in weight loss. Eating bottle gourd in summer cools the body and prevents dehydration. It also contains fiber that helps solve stomach problems. Bottle gourd helps control blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Finally, there's sugarcane. Everyone loves sugarcane juice. But did you know it's also very beneficial for health? The natural sugar in sugarcane provides instant energy and relieves fatigue. Sugarcane detoxes the liver and protects against diseases like jaundice. It reduces stomach acidity and improves digestion. It also contains minerals like calcium, potassium and magnesium that strengthens bone and protect against osteoporosis. Including these Indian superfoods in our daily diet will not only keep us healthy but also protect us from various diseases. So the next time you want to eat something healthy, be sure to include these superfoods in your diet. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.